Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to place food in your home in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. For the weekly challenge in the winter frost season, I need to place any food in my home. Wait, let me show you. Okay, this is the quest or the mission, and I'm going to show you guys how you can place any food in your home. Okay, first, of course, you need to go to your home, and then basically you can place the food on the table or on the floor in your home. I'm going to open up my backpack. You can select any food that you want. For me, I'm going to choose this cheesecake. And then you're going to click on this home icon to place the food in your home. Okay, you can place it on the floor like this, or you can put it on the table. But my table is already full. So wait, let me close it. Okay, let me eat this blueberry cake. And I'm going to replace it with the cheesecake. Click on the home icon. And I'm going to place it on my table. Get done. That's super easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how you can place any food in your home in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!